Hello everyone, welcome back to Mana Trends. If you are looking to freshen up your home with a new color palette, Sherwin Williams offers a variety of shades that suit any style or mood. From timeless neutrals to modern and vibrant colors, there is something for everyone. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to Mana Trends for more home design tips and inspiration. Today we will explore some of the top trending colors and share tips on how to choose the best shades for your living spaces. Let's start with a classic favorite, alabaster. This soft, warm white brings a calm and inviting look to any room. Alabaster is ideal for creating a spacious feel in smaller spaces and pairs beautifully with both muted and bold accents. Next up is repose grey, a versatile, warm grey that works in nearly every room. This shade has become a go-to for homeowners wanting a neutral backdrop that adds depth without overpowering the room. It's perfect for living rooms, hallways and even bedrooms. For those who want to add a bit of drama, navel is an excellent choice. This deep navy blue makes a striking accent wall, especially when paired with whites or metallics. Navel brings a touch of sophistication and elegance, making it perfect for creating a focal point in dining rooms or study areas. Now that we have covered a few popular choices, keep watching to see more color inspiration, and remember, selecting the right paint color is all about finding the vibe that matches your unique style. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sherwin Williams' stunning paint colors. We hope you find inspiration to refresh your home with colors that resonate with your style. Remember, a fresh coat of paint can completely transform a space, bringing warmth, elegance, or a modern touch to your home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design tips. Meet you in the next video with even more exciting home decor ideas.